Hi guys, I wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to get things from your sandbox course, if that's where you've been building, into your course section. To start with, you're going to open up the sandbox course that you've been building in. That's where you have all of your stuff, whether it's published or not published. You are going to have to move content and settings over separately. So to move content, in other words, your materials, you're going to go to the thing that you want to move over, the folder typically. You're going to click that gear icon and you're going to say copy to course. When the copy to course box pops up, you're going to choose the course. In my case, I'm working in 8th grade, so I'm going to go to my active working section and then I'm going to copy the folder, and it's going to move everything over from my sandbox into my course. You can do this throughout the year, so don't feel like you have to move everything at once. Get your first week, your first unit, whatever, pulled over. Then, how do you get your grades set up? To do that, you've got to go to your grade setup, and any categories that you've put in, any weights that you've made, any scales or rubrics, all of those things that you make, you have to use the copy settings button and then choose what you want to copy over. In my case, I'm going to copy everything over, and then again, I'm going to apply it to that 8th grade section that I want to follow those grades. And I'm going to click copy, and then again, everything will shoot over. Then if I go to my courses, and instead of looking in my sandbox, I look in my regular 8th grade section that I'm working in, you'll see that I have my Getting Started folder that carries everything over from what I had before. And then if I look in my gradebook setup, you'll see that I have all of those settings and scales and rubrics carried over from that sandbox course. Now, a word of caution that we learned today: if you are carrying over something that in your sandbox course was a Google Drive assignment, and by that I mean if you had created an assignment in your sandbox, there it is, assignment, in your sandbox, and you used this Google Drive assignment app right here, the Google Drive assignments. If you did this, which gave a copy to each student, when you send that over to the new course, you will lose the link from this, and you'll have to go back into the new course and reattach the Google Drive assignment. The name and the description and any links will carry over, but the actual Google assignment does not. And we kind of learned that the hard way today. So if you have a question on this or need help, I'm happy to help. Just reach out. I'm going to be around till noon today, and then all next week I'm free to help on an appointment basis. All right, thanks guys.